Hello, this is Yves Vacheresse, and I'm here today to present you my favorite breakfast, traditional muesli. And I'm going to begin by showing you how to chop the almonds an easy way. It's going to be making a little bit of noise, but grab a pan, put your almonds into a plastic bag, and just hit it hard. If you have any frustration to vent, this is a good time to do it. So you want to do it until they are coarsely chopped. And you see how easy and clean it is. The almonds are not flying off, they're staying in the bag. And then you can pretty much do that, chop them as coarsely as you want or as finely as you want to. Now for the muesli. We begin with rolled oats. Rolled oats are just another word for oatmeal. Make sure that you use the plain, natural variety. The one that says oatmeal, or the ones that say quick oats work as well. Stay away from the instant oatmeal. It is full of sugar and it would not work for this. So we put our oatmeal into a bowl and we add our almonds, nicely chopped. And all of this is being pre-measured. We put the almonds, we add the cranberry, dried cranberries, we add our grated apple. I like to use Granny Smith apple because it is an apple that has very low sugar. It is tart, it has lots of flavor. And the reason why we do this is to offset the sweetness of the cranberry as well as the sweetness of the honey. So we put our honey. I put a little bit of lemon juice to bring the flavor together again. And finally, the last component is water. We use spring water. If you have filtered water, it's also appropriate to use. Stay away from tap water, particularly if your water is treated. It is just not as healthy for you, number one. And number two, it's also that you're going to maybe get the flavor of whatever it is that they put in the water. But as it sits, and this is a dish that is really perfect because it needs to sit. As it sits, the oats and everything is going to absorb the water. And here's the final product. What is really amazing about this is that you can actually do it at the beginning of the week, refrigerate it, and you have it for the whole week. In fact, it gets better as it sits. It's one of those dishes that really ages well. Let me taste it. Now this is perfect.